Hey, sometimes I go out for dinner. I can't decide. Should I go for Indian or should I go for Chinese? I'll tell you what. You subscribe to this channel, don't forget to ring that bell. Because if you get all my recipes by ringing that bell, I'm going to show you today how to make a dish that's both Indian and Chinese. It's Manchurian. I'm going to make what's called Manchurian dry, which is like a glaze. If you make Manchurian wet, it's like a sauce. I appreciate the dry better. And I'm not going to make it with a fried like chicken or fried cauliflower. I'm going to roast cauliflower. Take away some of those calories you don't want. Keep that great flavor. Let's get cooking. Okay, first thing I have to do is prep my cauliflower, right? I want to make nice cauliflower florets, so I don't cut all the way through. I cut just through the stem part, and I break it. So you see, I keep the cauliflower florets nice and round. Beautiful. Okay, that's kind of what you want. Nice size cauliflower florets. Okay, so I use a sheet pan. I'm going to just cover it with a little bit of spray oil, just so the cauliflower won't stick. I'm going to lay out that cauliflower, a single layer, just like that. I'm going to spray the cauliflower with a little oil, just so it doesn't burn. I'm going to use about a half a teaspoon salt. And just season up that cauliflower a little bit. Hey, I'm going to put that cauliflower in a preheated 350-degree oven. Set the timer for 15 minutes. Now just cook the cauliflower a little bit so I don't have to cook it a lot later. Alright. Let's make the sauce. Okay, I started with a half a cup of water and added 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. 1, 2. Yeah, I like the tomato paste that comes in a tube. It's just nice and cleaner and neater. Okay, mix this in there so you don't get lumpy tomato paste. Hey, check out this sweet chili sauce. This got pineapple in it. You can use any sweet chili sauce you want, but I like to use sweet chili sauce. Half a teaspoon of salt. 2 teaspoons black pepper. Okay, we mix this all up like that and put it aside. Okay, this dish has definitely some vegetable garnish. Let me show you how I like to cut it. Very special, big pieces, because I want the vegetables to kind of be eaten like with the cauliflower. It shouldn't be like little pieces that go with the sauce. It should go more with the cauliflower. Okay, here's what we do. First thing is the onion. I like to use red onion because it's sweeter. I like the flavor better. Cut it in half. Okay, now I separate it, like the middle from the outside. Because the outside, see, the outside is big, right? Big piece. The inside, it's a lot smaller. See the difference? Okay, so the outside, I cut it in quarters, like that. So you have nice, big pieces, like that. You see that? But the inside is smaller, so I just cut them in half. Like that. Okay, now the pepper. The pepper, here's how I like to cut it. You cut the bottom off. You cut the top off. And then you cut these into big pieces. Okay? Like that. Beautiful. And the top part, just cut into big pieces. Beautiful. Now you have the middle. Here's what I do. I just cut along the outside into pieces like that. Cut out that white part, that pith. You don't want that. That's like bitter. There's the seeds. Get rid of them. You don't want to eat that. And then you have these nice pieces. Very easy to cut. Okay, nice big pieces. Look at that. That's beautiful. So I have 1 green pepper, 1 red pepper, and 1 red onion. We're almost ready to make the glaze. Next is like a timing thing, okay? So I want the cauliflower in the oven to be almost ready. I set the timer for 15 minutes. When the time is down to like 10 minutes, I'm going to start the glaze. Glaze only takes about 5 minutes to make. So, glaze is ready. We have the cauliflower and the dish is done. Once you prep it, this dish, it cooks so easy. Cooks in 5 minutes. Very wonderful. Wonderful if you like Chinese. Wonderful if you like Indian. Wonderful. Okay, I get the wok nice and hot. Okay, the wok is nice and hot. Okay, the wok is nice and hot. I put about a tablespoon of oil in it. Then I add my vegetables. Got the peppers that were stir-fried. They're still a little crunchy. We got the cauliflower from the oven. Put in with the peppers. Still a little crunchy. Mix it up nice. Remember that glaze we made? Beautiful. Put that right in there. Okay, here we go. Now, for me, I like a little bit more salty, so I add another tablespoon of soy sauce. Wonderful. I like mine also a little bit more spicy, so I'm going to add another tablespoon of sweet chili. Hey, if you like the way this looks, you gotta check out my chili garlic noodles with spinach. That's fantastic. Very healthy, very easy. Gotta check out that video, and I'll see you there.